Ever feel like you are constantly running? Imagine being Earth. Our beloved blue planet is on a never-ending cosmic marathon, spinning around like it's doing pirouettes on an invisible dance floor and simultaneously jogging laps around the sun. If planets had gym memberships, Earth would definitely be in the elite club. This relentless movement is not just for show. It's the key reason we experience days, nights, and drumroll seasons. But how? Let's break it down. Earth's fancy spin. First, let's talk about Earth's rotation. Our planet does not just sit there, it spins like a fidget spinner. This spin happens around an invisible line called the axis, which runs between the north and south poles. This twirl takes approximately 24 hours, and voila, we get day and night. When your side of Earth faces the sun, it's day. When it turns away, good night, moon, and everything else. Imagine Earth as a rotisserie chicken, only instead of crisp skin, we get sunrises and sunsets. One trip around the sun. If rotation gives us days, what gives us years? That honor goes to Earth's second big move, revolution. While Earth spins like a cosmic ballerina on its axis, it's also taking a scenic route around the sun, completing one orbit every 365 days, 6 hours, and 9 minutes. That's right, a full year. But this journey isn't some lazy Sunday drive with the windows down. It's more like Earth is on a giant elliptical racetrack, zooming along while keeping the sun at the center of its cosmic GPS. No detours, no bathroom breaks, just pure orbital commitment. If Earth had a fitness tracker, it would hit 940 million kilometers a year. Talk about cardio. And those extra 6 hours? That's why we have leap years, the calendar's way of saying, oops, I need to catch up. So every 4 years, we throw in February 29, like a bonus round of hide and seek. Earth's year-long cruise is what sets the rhythm for holidays, harvests, and the mysterious disappearance of New Year's resolutions by mid-January. Earth's not-so-straight axis. Now for the twist, literally. Earth doesn't stand up straight like a disciplined soldier. Instead, it leans slightly, with an axis tilted at about 23.5 degrees, like it's had one too many cups of cosmic coffee and is now spilling the tea with Mars. But this quirky tilt wasn't part of the original blueprint. Billions of years ago, something enormous, possibly a rogue planet or an asteroid with no sense of personal space, slammed into young Earth and knocked it off balance. The result? A permanently tilted planet with serious personality. This tiny tilt is the real VIP of the season party. Without it, we wouldn't have summer barbecues or winter snowball fights. It's the unsung hero of Earth's mood swings. Thanks to the tilt, one side of the planet gets sun-kissed while the other gets left in the cold. So the next time you're wrapped in a blanket or frying in the sun, remember to thank that ancient cosmic bump. It might have been rude, but it sure made life a lot more interesting. How sunlight hits home. Because of Earth's tilt, the sun doesn't shine evenly across the globe all year. At different times of the year, different parts of the Earth are tilted toward or away from the sun. Imagine the Earth is on stage, and the sun is a spotlight. When the northern hemisphere leans into the light, it's summer there and winter in the southern hemisphere. 6 months later, the southern hemisphere gets its moment in the spotlight and swimsuit sails spike down under. This unequal solar attention gives rise to temperature differences, which in turn create our beloved and sometimes dreaded seasons. Why summer and winter take turns? Let's recap this warm-cold drama, shall we? When the northern hemisphere tilts toward the sun, it basks in more direct sunlight. Hello, summer. Meanwhile, the southern hemisphere leans away, soaking up weaker rays and slipping into broader, winter mode. Then, about half a year later, Earth shifts position in its orbit, and everything flips like a giant planetary pancake. But here's the twist. Technically, there are really only two main solar seasons. One where your side of the Earth is leaning toward the sun, summer, and one where it's leaning away, winter. The other two, spring and autumn, are basically transitional drama queens, strutting in with unpredictable weather and fashion confusion. One day it's boots and hoodies, the next it's flip-flops and iced coffee. Nature can't make up its mind, and neither can your wardrobe. You end up carrying both sunglasses and an umbrella, just in case. It's the universe's way of keeping us humble and slightly overdressed. Why we melt in summer. Now let's talk sweat. Ever gone for a run in July and felt like a walking waterfall? That's not just you thank Earth's tilt again. In summer, not only is your hemisphere getting more direct sunlight, but the days are also longer. More sun, more heat, more sweat. It's like being slow roasted under a cosmic heat lamp. In contrast, during winter, the days are shorter, and the sun's rays hit your region at a slanted angle, like a flashlight with dying batteries. That's why you can run and barely break a sweat, unless you're overdressed in 5 layers of fleece and forgot your deodorant. Also, fun fact, your dog's tongue isn't broken in summer, it's just panting in solidarity. Your shirt sticks, your popsicle melts faster than your patience, and ACs become your best friend. Summer turns everyone into amateur meteorologists, checking the forecast every 5 minutes, hoping the sun took a day off. Sadly, it rarely does. Summer's cloudy consequence. Just when you thought Earth's seasonal powers couldn't get more impressive, it also makes it rain. Here's the sciencey yet simple bit. In summer, high temperatures cause water to evaporate faster from oceans, lakes, rivers, and even puddles pretending to be ponds. This vapor rises, cools, and condenses into clouds. Eventually, those clouds can't hold it in anymore and boom, the sky starts crying. We call this the rainy season in many parts of the world. So yes, summer doesn't just make you sweet, it makes the sky sweat too. Rain in summer is like Earth's quirky way of cooling off an intergalactic spa day with thunder. One minute you're sunbathing, the next you're sprinting inside like you are in an obstacle course. And let's not forget the smell of fresh rain on hot pavement. It's nature's way of saying, yeah, I still got it. So while rain may ruin your picnic, it also grows your mangoes. Fair trade, right? Longer days, shorter nights. Ever notice how in summer, it stays light until 8 p.m., but in winter, it feels like midnight by 5 p.m. That's another masterpiece from the Earth's tilted axis. During summer in your hemisphere, Earth's tilt allows the sun to rise earlier and set later, giving us longer daylight hours. That's why summer evenings are perfect for BQs, and winter ones are perfect for going to bed at 6 p.m. and blaming it on just needing rest. This imbalance in daylight is what shapes our daily life routines, agriculture schedules, and even moods. Yes, there's a reason why winter makes you want to eat carbs and nap like a hibernating bear. Cosmic choreography at its finest. Let's tie this all up like a cozy seasonal scarf. We experience the changing seasons summer, winter, and the in-between mischief of spring and autumn thanks to a few key cosmic maneuvers. First, Earth rotates on its tilted axis, which gives us the cycle of day and night. At the same time, our planet revolves around the sun once every year, completing a full orbit in a little over 365 days. What really spices things up, however, is Earth's axial tilt. Because the planet doesn't sit upright, sunlight doesn't strike all parts of the globe equally throughout the year. This uneven distribution of solar energy is what causes temperature shifts, rain cycles, and yes, that one mosquito-infested summer we all remember too well. So, the next time you're grumbling about freezing fingers in winter or sweating buckets in summer, just remember, it's all part of an elegant, ancient cosmic dance. A ballet of physics, chance, and one colossal interstellar collision that gave Earth its unique tilt and gave us the rhythm of the seasons. If this journey through space and seasons made you smile, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell icon so you never miss a fun fact or science surprise. Got questions or random space thoughts? Drop them in the comments, we love curious minds. Thanks for watching, stay cool, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next orbit.